is, Martha has a balancing scale and finds that a glass and a bowl balance a mug. The bowl alone balances a glass and a plate, and 3 plates balance 2 mugs. How many glasses balance a bowl? So what's our first step in this problem?
If we can maybe organize a little bit, maybe just put variables in this problem. Maybe like label glasses, bowls, mugs, and plates.
Okay.
With just a letter.
So how should we do that?
If we label glass with a G, and maybe a bowl with a B, a plate with a P, and a mug with an M.
Good. So how should we use these variables and the given information in the question to solve the problem?
Okay, so if we read the first part, it says a glass and a bowl balance a mug.
Okay.
So I'm trying to use words to maybe put into more of an equation with symbols. So I'm thinking a glass plus a bowl is equal to 1 mug. So maybe G plus B is equal to M. And the next one says a bowl alone balances a glass and a plate, but I feel like if we want to match that first one with a variable plus a variable is equal to another variable, we can just say a glass plus a plate is equal to a bowl, a G plus P is equal to B. Can make it a little easier.
Right, because these two have the same form with the 2 variables on this side and 1 variable on that side.
Right. The third one says 3 plates balance 2 mugs, so 3P is equal to 2M.
Right. So we're solving for glasses and bowls.
Yeah.
And these are our equations. And I don't see a glass and a bowl equal to each other here. So
No.
what should we do next?
Well, I feel like we can maybe try and find something that could equal each other. I can see that if we can multiply the first equation by 2, maybe 2G plus 2B is equal to 2M. That can match that third equation that we have down there. Because 2 mugs is also equal to 3 plates. So
okay. So you're saying that this 2M and this 2M are equal. So 3P and 2G plus 2B are equal.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so let's write that out.
Okay. Well, we have plates, glasses, and bowls.
And where else do we have plates, glasses, and bowls in this problem?
That second one has glass, plate, and bowl.
So how do we get this equation in the form of this equation?
Well, I feel like since that's a P is equal to random variables, here we have 3 plus P, so if we just subtract that glass over to the other side, it'd be a plate is equal to a bowl minus a glass.
Okay. So this looks pretty similar, but we have 3's and 2's down here. So what do we need to do to this equation?
We could do the same thing we did last time and maybe just multiply that new equation by 3. And so we'd have an equality of 3 plates is equal to 3 bowls minus 3 glasses. Okay.
Okay, so now we have 2 equations that are both equal to 3P.
Yeah. Okay, so they're the same. So then we can essentially just use 2 glasses plus 2 bowls is equal to 3 bowls minus 3 glasses.
Right. Now I notice that we have G and B on this side, and G and B on this side. So what do we need to do to those terms?
Well, okay, so we're solving for what? What is that?
For B and G. So we're solving for glasses and bowls.
Okay, so we're finding how many glasses balance a bowl.
Right.
Okay, so if we just solve for bowl, for 1 bowl, so if we subtract 2B on the other side.
Okay, so we get 2G here. And then what do we need to do to the G's?
Then we can add the 3G on the other side to make it 5G is equal to B.
And what does this mean in relation to our problem?
That means how many glasses will balance a bowl? for one bowl, there it balances, or 5 glasses balance one bowl.
Right.